This is the Genesis G80. Comprehensively equipped, the G80 comes with a convenient and accessible door lock system. By using your smart key fob, you can remotely lock and unlock all 4 doors, as well as open the smart trunk. For convenience, the doors can also be unlocked without having to take the smart key fob out from your pocket or purse. Ensure you have the smart key fob on your person, approach the vehicle, and grasp the door handle to unlock. The G80's lights will blink twice and you will hear the door unlock. After the doors unlock, simply pull the handle to open. When grasping the door handle to unlock, be sure that your hand does not simultaneously cover or press the square touch lock sensor on the front or rear doors. This square door handle sensor is for locking the vehicle doors, and accidental touching of this sensor while unlocking may cause doors to lock unintentionally. After unlocking doors using the door handle sensor, there is a 3-second delay before the lock sensor will function, and during this time, the door lock sensor will not activate. To temporarily disable the door handle touch sensor, such as before washing your car, hold down the door lock and then unlock buttons on the smart key fob for 4 seconds. The vehicle lights will blink 4 times to indicate that the door handle touch sensor has been disabled. To re-enable the door handle touch sensor, press either the lock or unlock button on your smart key fob. The 2-press unlock feature allows you to open only the driver's door initially while pressing unlock. Pressing unlock again will then unlock all remaining doors. This can also be done by placing your hand inside the door handle to unlock the driver's side door, and placing your hand again to unlock all 4 doors. To turn off or on this feature, press Setup, then Vehicle, Door, and then select or deselect the checkbox. If 2-press unlock is turned off, all 4 doors will unlock simultaneously when unlocking. Note that if you unlock your G80 inadvertently or not, it will automatically relock after 30 seconds if no doors are opened. The doors will not lock, however, if any door is left open, the smart key fob is inside the G80, or the vehicle is in the on position. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.